Take command of the road in the 2019 Kia Sportage. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.